take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my
Hi guys, okay, so this is the wig straight out of the box. As you guys can see, the wig comes pre-cut, it comes with the lace pre-bleached as well, and it comes pre-plucked with a very natural hairline. So this wig is literally ready for you to install straight out of the box. This is the 7x5 HD lace front wig. So now I'm just going to go ahead and install the wig. This is the Waterwave hair texture. It's a 24-inch and it's 180 density. It comes with an adjustable elastic band and it comes with a silicone tape around the perimeter of the wig, and it also comes with some adjustable straps on the inside of the wig as well. The first thing I'm going to do is to clip the adjustable straps together, and now I'm going to go ahead and just apply some cream bronzer all over the lace just to help the lace match my skin tone. Okay, so this is the wig from Nadula hair. Like I said, it's a 7x5 lace closure wig, so I've already gone ahead and applied some cream bronzer to help the lace match my skin tone, and this is their HD lace as well. So now I'm just going to go ahead and install the wig. So you can wear this wig glueless, but the wig is actually big for me because I have a really small head. So I'm going to go ahead and use my bed head spray to melt the lace and glue the wig down.
brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness.
Okay, so guys, this is what the lace looks like. This is the HD lace. Like I said, it literally just melts in. I don't even feel like I need to use my melt band to try and melt the lace in even further. I think this looks really good, and like I said, the wig comes pre-plucked and it comes pre-bleached as well. So this is the natural hairline that it came with. I've not had to go in to customize or anything like that. So this wig is definitely very beginner friendly. You can easily install this wig yourself at home. You don't need to go to a hairstylist or a professional to get this installed. So yeah, another thing I'm noticing with this wig is how soft and fluffy the hair is. Like, this feels really soft, and like I said, this is their Waterwave hair texture. I'm gonna go ahead and use my hot comb to hot comb the top of the hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and define the curls.
Yes, giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone. away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we.
Okay, so this is what the hair looks like when it's wet. I'm gonna go ahead and use my blow dryer to dry up the hair so you guys can see what it looks like once it's dried.
Take the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going down mine. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Okay, so this is the hair texture once it's dried. It's still slightly damp, but this is what it looks like at the moment. The hair feels extremely soft. It's really fluffy, like I said, and this is just a very easy wig to work with. Like I said, it's 180 density and it's a 24-inch wig. Let me know what you think of this wig in the comment section below. And just to let you guys know as well, they're having a Black Friday sale coming up, so just bear that in mind. I'm going to include the code in the description box below, so make sure you check below so you can get some discounts off your wig. The wig is very easy to work with, very beginner friendly, and the lace as well is really good, as you guys can see. So yeah, so like I said, this is the 7x5 lace closure wig, which means you can actually wear this wig as a dip side part as well. I just really like how soft and how fluffy this wig is. Even now that I've just flipped the hair over, you can see how cute this looks as well. It's just a very easy wig to work with. I really like that. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.